Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Visual Studio Code or VS Code on Windows. Okay, so there are two ways you can uninstall the Visual Studio Code. So first one is via Windows settings. The second one is by control panel. Okay, so first let us see how to uninstall VS Code by Windows settings. Okay, click on Windows I. This will open up the settings. Go to apps, installed apps. Here type in Visual Studio Code. Click on these three dots and select uninstall. Click on uninstall. Click on yes. Okay, so the uninstalling is in progress. Once this is done, click on OK. Okay, so the uninstallation is being successful via the Windows settings. And you can verify this if the uninstallation is done completely by opening command prompt. Type Windows R, CMD, enter. This will bring up the command prompt. Here you can type code and click enter. So you will see that code is not recognized. So this means that the VS Code is being uninstalled. There is also another method via which you can uninstall VS Code, which is via the control panel. So to uninstall VS Code via control panel, click on Windows R and type control, click on enter, click on programs and features. Here you can see the VS Code is present. Just right click on it and click uninstall. Click on yes. Okay, so VS Code was successfully removed from your computer. Click on OK. Okay, now you can see that the VS Code is removed. To verify this, you can do it via command prompt. Press Windows R, CMD, enter. Type code, enter. So code is not recognized. So this means that VS Code is uninstalled successfully. I have also documented the steps that we have discussed in this video here. So I will share the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.